Did you know that your body is made up of more than 78 organs, all working together 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to keep you alive? Today, we're going on an incredible journey inside the human body. We'll explore the most vital organs, what they do, and why life would simply be impossible without them. Stay with us, this is going to amaze you. The control center of your entire body. The brain weighs only 1.4 kilograms, but it controls everything. Every thought, every movement, every emotion passes through it. It contains 86 billion neurons constantly sending electrical signals. Even when you sleep, your brain never stops working.
To have good mental health,
with the most iconic organ.
7 to 9 hours helps avoid brain fatigue. Eat properly, fruits, vegetables, water, and protein. Too much sugar or alcohol can exhaust the mind.
Do some physical activity. Walking, running, sports, even 20 minutes a day can help.
Reduce unnecessary stress. Avoid constant arguments, toxic people, and mental overload.
Your brain never stops working. With the most iconic organ, the heart. This powerful muscle is about the size of your fist and beats around 100,000 times every single day. Its job: to pump blood throughout your entire body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every single cell. Without your heart, nothing works. It is literally the engine of your body. Know then that the heart plays a very important and unique role in the human body.
To keep your heart healthy, it's important to adopt good habits every day. Exercise regularly. Walking, running, cycling, sports, even 30 minutes a day can help the heart. Eat a balanced diet. More fruits, vegetables, fish, and nuts, and fewer foods that are too fatty, too salty, or too sugary. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol.
Next, the lungs. You have 2 of them, and they are responsible for breathing. Every time you inhale, your lungs capture oxygen from the air and send it into your bloodstream. Every time you exhale, they expel carbon dioxide, the waste gas your body doesn't need. Your lungs perform this exchange around 20,000 times per day. Incredible, right?
To have healthy lungs, you should
in your body.
Avoid smoking and stay away from cigarette smoke. Exercise regularly to strengthen your lungs and improve breathing, and avoid pollution when you can. To help keep the airways clear. Eat healthy foods, especially fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins. Avoid harmful chemicals and wear protection in dusty or polluted places.
Right? The most powerful filter in your body. The liver is the largest internal organ, about the size of a football. It performs more than 500 different functions every single day. It filters toxins from your blood. It produces bile to digest fats. It stores energy in the form of glycogen. It destroys old red blood cells.
To have a healthy liver, you should eat healthy foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Drink plenty of water. Avoid excessive alcohol consumption. Limits are fatty, sugary, to main highly processed foods. Avoid smoking and harmful drugs. Be careful with medications and do not take too much for infections such as hepatitis. Get enough sleep and reduce stress.
Your body's natural purification system. You have 2 kidneys, each the size of a fist. Every single day, they filter 180 liters of blood and produce about 1.5 liters of urine. They regulate blood pressure, control hydration levels, and maintain the perfect chemical balance in your body. Without your kidneys, toxins would build up in your blood.
To have healthy kidneys, you should drink enough water every day, eat healthy foods and reduce too much salt and processed foods. Avoid excessive regularly to keep your body healthy. Control blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Avoid taking too many painkillers or medications without medical advice. Maintain a healthy weight, get enough sleep, and reduce stress.
The stomach digests food, using gastric juices, and prepares it for the small intestine.
To have a healthy stomach, you should eat balanced and healthy meals. Avoid eating too much junk food, spicy food, or very fatty foods. Drink enough water every day. Eat slowly and chew your food properly. Avoid overeating. Reduce stress, because stress can affect the stomach. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption.
The pancreas.
In the body, the pancreas produces digestive enzymes and the hormones insulin and glucagon to regulate blood sugar levels.
The intestines. The role of the intestines. Digestion and absorption. The small intestine is the main site for nutrient absorption, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals, which then pass into the bloodstream to fuel the body's cells.
To have healthy intestines, you need to properly nourish and protect your digestive system. Here are the most important habits. Eat fiber-digestive foods like fruits and these habits. Fiber helps the intestines work properly and improves digestion. Drink plenty of water. Water helps the intestines digest food and prevents constipation.
The spleen.
The spleen filters the blood and destroys worn-out red blood cells. It stores white blood cells. And it strengthens the immune system.
To keep your spleen healthy, you should
eat an iron-rich diet. Avoid abdominal injuries or impacts. Have regular blood tests.
Just a small pinch.
Bone marrow, composed of red bone marrow, bone trabeculae, yellow bone marrow, medullary cavity.
Deep inside your bones, the marrow produces red blood cells, white blood cells, and this process completely renews your blood every few weeks. The bone marrow is the vital production center of your immune system.
What should you do to keep your bone marrow healthy?
Eat foods rich in iron and vitamin B12.
Avoid unnecessary radiation from excessive X-rays. Have regular blood tests.
We have the blood vessels.
Its role is to transport blood, oxygen, and nutrients throughout the body. Arteries carry blood from the heart to the organs. Veins carry blood back to the heart.
What you should do to keep your blood vessels healthy.
Avoid smoking, which damages the walls of blood vessels. Exercise regularly to improve blood circulation. Monitor your blood pressure.
We have the adrenal glands. Their role is to produce adrenaline during stress or danger. Secrete cortisol to regulate metabolism. Control blood pressure and blood sugar levels.
What you should do to keep them healthy. Manage stress through meditation, exercise, and sleep. Avoid excessive caffeine. Maintain a balanced lifestyle.
We have the thyroid gland. Its role is to regulate the body's metabolism. Control body temperature. Influence growth, mood, and energy. That's it. You've just taken a complete tour of the organs that keep your body functioning every second of your life. The secret to good health is simple: eat well, stay active, sleep enough, stay hydrated, and see a doctor regularly. Your body is your home for life, take care of it. This video was presented to you by the channel Inside the Body. And that's the end of today's journey inside the human body. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Inside the Body for more incredible health and human body discoveries. New videos every week. Stay healthy, and stay curious. See you in the next video.